basically what I did, took an Allen's, I pulled the coils, I cleaned the ends on the coils in the center, and then I cleaned the pickup. Where are you? Find it. Okay. Where is it? Okay. So I cleaned up the pickup here, and then I checked for spark here when it was cranking. And I checked for spark on the white wire coming from out of the control box right here. With this plugged in, the control box, you should have spark coming out of there. So, right after a battery charge and a battery charge for the camera, let me get this back together again. Now, I don't know exactly what was going on, but what I wound up doing is, in the end, well, what I did is I took these off and I cleaned on the inside. These are your magnetic coils, and they run straight to your plugs from electricity from the pickups. So from that point, I cleaned these up. That's the only thing I could find. When I run it, when I check for battery from the key, I get power to this red wire, and this is going into this little control box. And on the outside, this side here, coming from this plug here, there's no power on it, but it's going into the box, coming on this side. So when I crank it, power's going through here into the box, and then coming out, I have pulse power coming out of here, going back in. Well, when it's now cranking, I have power on this side of these pickups. And then what I did a while ago is I actually accidentally grounded. I was grounding this plug here because I'm not exactly sure what that is. Okay, so let's see if she'll start again, because she was running. Okay, there she goes. So, that said, if you're looking at the, I don't want to drown out, it's this, look, it's there, pick up here, power on that side, that's going, I guess that's going directly out to the plug. So, the only thing I did was clean the magnetic pickups. That's all I did. I might have even done something else that I didn't realize I did, but... Alright, here we are. Back together. Same way it came apart. Except I gotta get the cover back on here. Because it spins. Spins. That keeps everything from getting caught up. Okay. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll definitely catch you on the next Around the House. And this is Kohler Commander 22.5 horsepower. Craftsman DieHard.